Hello everyone, this is Anuj from Gadget Cake. Today we have with us one more sound system from Motorola, and it's the Motorola Emfee SoundX 70W 2.1 home theater system. And in this video, we will do the unboxing and find out how it performs. So here is the box of the Motorola Emfee SoundX 70W sound system. The model number is the MT70-HT21. On this side of the box we have some key features such as you get the 70W sound output, HDMI ARC enabled, Bluetooth 5.0, optical input, USB support, and you get the aux port as well as FM in the system. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So first we have the user manual, and then we have the installation guide. And then in the box we get the remote controller, and the size of the remote controller is compact and the button quality is also pretty good. Then in the box we get the aux cable and the FM antenna cable. And then we have the two satellite speakers, and you also get this metal stand which looks sturdy, and this is how you can install the base holder of the speaker. And then finally we have the subwoofer. So that's all we have in the box. Now let's look at the speakers closely. So starting with the subwoofer, the build quality of the subwoofer is good, and you have the Motorola logo at the bottom, and above it we have the buttons, and these are the push buttons which in my opinion performs pretty good. In the middle you have the LCD panel which shows you the modes and the other information when you're using the speaker. This subwoofer also comes with a dynamic LED lighting, and in total you have 6 LED lighting modes. In terms of the overview, on the top you have the USB port to play the music from a thumb drive, and next to it we have the SD card slot. At the back we have the air vent, and then below it we have the HDMI ARC port, optical port, and the antenna port for the FM radio. Below it we have the aux port and the DVD input port, and then we have the left and right satellite speaker connection ports. The subwoofer in this system comes with a 6.5-inch bass driver, and it produces 35W sound output. Overall in terms of design, I really like the build quality and the design of this subwoofer. Now looking at the satellite speakers, so you get the right and left channel, and in terms of the design, they look premium, and in my opinion, they also look pretty good. You get the dual driver in both the speakers, which is really good, and you get the output of 18W from each speaker. You can use this sound system in satellite mode, but this 2.1 system is also convertible to a soundbar. So first you need to twist and detach the base holder, and then join the base of both the satellite speakers and twist to attach. And now you have a 95cm long soundbar system with 4 speakers. In terms of the setup, it's really easy, and you just need to attach the left and the right channel cable at the back of the subwoofer. And now you can connect the system with the Bluetooth, optical port, HDMI ARC for HD output, or simply use the aux cable. Now coming to the most important part, now let's talk about the sound output of this system. I've been using these speakers for few days to listen to music, watching videos and movies. Now the first thing you will notice that the bass output is pretty good. And for music, this sound system is really good. You get punchy bass, and the clarity is also pretty good. They are also loud, and the max volume is at 30, but I always kept it in between 20 to 25 when listening to music. Overall, I'm really happy with the performance of this system when it comes to music. You can also adjust the bass and treble, or choose from the preset equalizer from the remote controller. I've also used these speakers for watching movies and videos. First of all, the cinema mode is pretty good, and when you turn it on, immediately you will feel the difference. I've used this system in both 2.1 satellite mode as well as soundbar mode, and I'm really happy with the overall performance of this sound system. So to sum it up, the Motorola Emfee SoundX 70W home theater system offers amazing sound output. You can use them for listening to music, watching movies, as well as for playing games on your PC. The dynamic LED lighting also adds a nice touch and will look pretty good, especially using these speakers in a house party. Overall, if you're looking for a 2.1 home theater system for your TV, then I highly recommend you to check out this sound system from Motorola. The price of the 70-watt home theater system is Rs 6,499. Apart from that, Motorola has also launched two more variants. First is the 120-watt 4.1 home theater system, which also comes with this unique convertible soundbar design. You can use two speakers as satellite and convert two into soundbar. And this system is available for Rs 8,999. And the second product is a soundbar, and it's a 120-watt soundbar system, and that is also available at Rs 8,999. And if you like any of these products and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and overview of the Motorola MV SoundX 70-watt home theater system. Let us know if you like it, and also do tell us your favorite feature of this sound system in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel Gadget Geek for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.